7 exercises to do while reading. Say what? It's totally true. Stick around for the video to see how. Are you a teacher with some squirrely students on hand? Or perhaps you're a bookworm who's been slacking on their step goal and needs to add a little movement to your life? Either way, these 7 exercises you can do while reading just might save you. If you've ever had to choose between doing a workout and finishing the last few chapters of a book you've been wrapped in, you know the struggle is real. But you don't have to put your fitness goals on hold because you can't put down your book. There are plenty of workouts you can do while you read, and I'll show you 7 of them in this video, thanks to my helpers. But before I dive in, let's talk about ways that reading can support your mental fitness. Spending time reading may improve your brain function, and it can reduce stress levels. It may aid in healthy sleep, and it can totally improve your memory. Benefits abound, so let's get to it. Laying down, working out, and reading at the same time? Count me in. These literature leg raises can be done at the gym, from your living room, or even in bed, but can still make you break a decent sweat. It's a perfect workout to target your abs and core. Here's how you do it. Start laying on your back while holding your book in both hands. Then, keeping your legs straight, lift them toward the ceiling. Slowly bring your legs back down while keeping your core engaged. Repeat 10 reps for 3 to 5 sets. Exercise number 2 is literacy lunges. This activity will target your glutes, hamstrings, quads, and calves. Here's how you do it. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, your back straight, and your core engaged. Step forward, bending both knees until your back knee almost touches the floor, all while holding your book out in front of you. Stand up and repeat the movement on the opposite leg. Continue to alternate legs until you complete your set goal. Third up on the list are page turner planks. This activity will target your core and lower back. To do this exercise, begin in a push-up position with your book on the floor. Then lower yourself onto your forearms. Tighten and engage your abs and core. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds or make a goal to stop after you've reached the end of a page. This one might sound pretty easy, but it's actually pretty tough. Challenge yourself to see if you can stay in the plank position for more and more pages each time you do it. The Wordy Wall Sit might keep you on your toes more than your favorite thriller novel. This workout is great for targeting your quads, glutes, and calves. Start by standing with your back against the wall and your legs shoulder-width apart. Hold your book with both hands in front of you while you get into the proper position. Then slowly slide your back down the wall until you're in a seated position. Keep your back flat against the wall and hold for 1 minute, or until you read a page or 2. Bonus points if you can hold it even longer. We've reached number 5 on our list, side lying leg lifts. This one will target many areas of your body, including your hips, glutes, and abs. To do it, begin by laying on your right side using your right arm to support your head. Place your left arm on the floor for extra support. Remember to lay your book out in front of you so you can keep reading while you exercise. Then lift your leg up and back down to meet the other leg. Repeat for 10 reps or 2 pages, whichever you prefer. Then switch and repeat on the other side. Alright, we're almost to the end of our list. Here's the final 2. Do you have a Peloton or treadmill that's been collecting dust in your home office or basement? Don't worry, you can fix that. Grab your favorite book and start pedaling or walking. You can make a goal to exercise either for a time limit or until you finish a certain number of chapters. Either way, the pages and calories will simply slip away. Combining physical fitness and mental health is easy when you have a solid workout routine and your favorite book in hand. It's never too late to accomplish those New Year's resolutions or summer fitness goals. The aim of this video and the original blog post is to help you learn more about how to look after yourself and become more in tune with your own body. It is intended for informational purposes only and should not be viewed as a substitute for professional medical advice or treatment. You can find the written form of this content on my blog, thanks to Corey at Siege Media.
I was watching NIVIRO, a graphic novel, and I was reading Abraham Lincoln, a biography. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!